Guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving from Papine to Liquanea. Now Papine is a very small town or district in the city of Kingston, but it's a major transportation hub. A lot of buses and taxis, and that's because there are the two largest universities in Jamaica, the University of the West Indies and the University of Technology, are both located beside Papine. If we had turned left on that road, that takes us to the University of the West Indies, and on the right is the University of Technology. So these campuses could have up to 20,000 students a day using the campus. With COVID it might be a little different now, but before COVID hit, 20 to 25,000 students a day, and include persons, I should say, including faculty and staff, would use these universities. So Papine is the area where you'd go to get a bus or a taxi, or if you want to leave campus and go and get food, they have a lot of restaurants in Papine. So Papine is a very busy transportation hub. And of course Liquanea is also a very busy shopping area. A lot of plazas, a lot of restaurants. So it's very busy areas. Also, Liquanea has more restaurants in that area than any other area in Jamaica. You name it, from KFC, Burger King, Wendy's, Juicy Beef, Tasty Patties. Tasty actually has two locations in Liquanea. Mothers. You have a lot of Chinese restaurants, Indian restaurants, pizza places. You name it, it's in Liquanea. And that's because Liquanea has a lot of residential communities around it. Beverly Hills, Hope Pastures, Hope Gardens, Jacks Hill, Millsboro, Paddington, Liquanea, a lot of areas. It's a very busy place. So naturally you're going to find a lot of plazas. So we are on Old Hope Road now. If we turn left here, we would go into the Mona area. On the right is the Hope Complex, where you find a lot of government agencies. On the right, we just passed the entrance to Hope Gardens. On the right is RADA. And something I just learned the other day about RADA. RADA is in charge of all the farm roads in Jamaica. You would think it was the NWA, but it's not. Okay, if we turn right here, it's Hope Pastures. NWA is in charge of all the main roads. The parochial roads are the responsibility of the parish council, and the farm roads are the responsibility of RADA. And RADA is in the Ministry of Agriculture. Okay, on the right is Jamaica College, and that's a very popular school in Jamaica, very prestigious school. Is the exit for Jamaica College. And also, if you look straight ahead to the right, that's the Jamaica College field. They have a very nice track. It was recently built. They have a little mini stadium. Now on the left is KFC, and you can see their drive-through comes all the way out to the road. On the left is the Chinese Benevolent Society. Now, I had mentioned in a video that this was the first KFC to open in Jamaica, and a subscriber was saying that it wasn't. So I double checked it, and that was the first KFC to open in Jamaica. Okay, on the left is Elite Diagnostic. Alright, so we're now entering the Liquanea area. One thing you're going to find in Liquanea is, as we said before, a lot of restaurants and a lot of plazas. But probably the most popular location in Liquanea, it's not a plaza or a restaurant. It's actually the US Embassy. And persons who travel on a Jamaican passport have to go to the embassy to get a visa. Now the visa lasts a couple of years, but you have to go to this location. The embassy is on the left to get your visa. So it's a very popular place in Jamaica. Alright, so we're still on Old Hope Road and we're in the Liquanea area. Old Hope Road will take you from Papine all the way to Crossroads. So on the right we just passed in the Sugar and Spice location. They sell the tasty patties over there. We have Scotiabank on the right, on the left is Liquanea Plaza. That's where you'll find Wendy's, Mother's and Starbucks. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn left, we stay on Old Hope Road and go towards Crossroads. If we go straight, we go on to Hope Road and head towards Halfway Tree. And if we turn right, we go on to Barbican Road and head towards the Barbican area. Now remember, we're on Old Hope Road, and Old Hope Road goes left. Straight ahead is Hope Road. There are two different roads, and persons often mix them up. So we're now turning right onto Barbican Road, and straight ahead to the right, that is Sovereign Center. So it's the largest mall in the Liquanea area and one of the largest in Jamaica. It's probably amongst the top 10 in terms of largest malls. Also amongst the top probably 5 in terms of popular malls. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.